And I'm just in my natural bathroom lighting, 2018. No ring light, nothing fancy. It's just kind of random. Let's do it. I'm just gonna pull my wig back in my bathroom. I've already taken my lashes off, take my makeup off, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do click the button to subscribe, like, follow. This channel is growing so rapidly, and I want you to know that if you're trying to grow a channel, it will come with consistency. I have grown other platforms, but it's really meaningful to me to grow YouTube because this is where I looked when I wanted to find burn survivor makeup or burn survivor skincare. And when I looked several years ago, I couldn't find it. And now there are so many of us doing it, and I am happy to be here. So please subscribe. Let's get started. Molecular Silk Amino Hydrating Cleanser. This is by AlliesOfSkin, and you put it on dry if you want to remove your makeup. Can add water right in the beginning. If you're not wearing makeup, just go ahead and add water to it. But when you do it this way, it's like a makeup remover, and then you can add the water after. But it's just so pure, and this is like a silk amino cleanser, so you already feel like you've done all your skincare just after washing your face. See the way it just kind of melted everything into my hands? It's my PMD Redvolution, and it's just a silicone brush head. And what I love about this item, I'll rinse it in just a moment. It has 2 different levels, but when you go to the reverse side, you have to wash it every time because it's going to be covered in makeup. When you go to this side, it's called a Redvolution because it has medical grade red light. And you would have to hold this to your face for 3 minutes. And this is great for spot treatments. I have a full mask that I put on. But if you just have an area that you want to treat, this is great, especially if you have it like in your bedroom, laying in bed. This one does come with goggles because you can see how bright that is. This is medical grade red light. It's an awesome device. PMD Beauty is one of the best. So I told you this isn't a fancy video. I've got my squeaky chair and everything. I don't know how many times I asked to have this chair fixed. Guess I need to get a new one. WD-40 on it didn't work. My husband was not interested in fixing the bad boy. Enough about him. So, I've got that off. My hair looks crazy. All right, now I'm going to use some water to get the rest of it off. This will cleanse everything. So this is step 2 of washing your face. Just right now, it feels like I've done my entire skincare routine because my skin feels so soft and moisturized. I can't explain it. Like right here, and that was only the cleanser. Like the makeup is just right off. And this is the way I like to do it. My eyes don't shut all the way, so I'm so scared of water in my eyes. I'm careful with my eyebrows, you notice. I try to get them clean, but I don't rub them off because they are glued on. Next, I get right into a serum. I like the Copper Tripeptide Serum by AlliesOfSkin. You need to check with your doctor before you use this. It has copper in it. It didn't irritate my skin at all. This is not something you pick up at the drugstore, so ask your doctor. This can really help the appearance of scars. It is not intended to be used on open wounds. This is the Multi-Peptides and Growth Factor Advanced Lifting Serum. Again, this is serious skincare. And when you're using the serums, just pat it in. You'll use a lot less product. So after I'm done with those serums, I will add my Peptides and Omegas Firming Eye Cream. I use this morning and night. All of these products are morning and night for me. This is really helping firm around the eyes. And you need to do a lot of scar massage to heal it. And, you can see these are seams where, the different grafts were placed, but there's no raised scar. I have no idea how. The doctor was just so good. He passed away a couple of years ago, and I was really grateful that I got to show him my skin and what a good job he did before he passed. He hasn't seen all this, but I hope he can see it from heaven. He's an amazing man. Peptides and antioxidants, firming daily treatment. Use this. If you're not going to get anything else by AlliesOfSkin, get this thing. It is insanely good. Oh, my skin feels so good right now. It feels so good. I mean, it's just an amazing skincare system. And there's other products. These are just the products that I like for my scar repair. And, you know, a lot of people are like, oh, it's just too expensive. Well, we budget for what we want. You know, we make it work. We make it happen. If you want that Coach bag, you don't go, oh my gosh. So for me, I put my money into healing my skin, and I'm so glad I did. I'm so glad. Molecular Barrier Recovery Cream. This one I only use at night. This is just my nighttime, go into bed. I take 2 pumps. And this is like, when you wake up, your skin is just going to look soft and glowing. And it feels so soft. I don't know how to explain how these skin grafts, you would think a lot of people think they're hard and bumpy, but they're really, really smooth and soft. This, I definitely get a pump on my décolletage and make sure my neck is done. And that is it. The only additional thing I will do is grab some Dermalect hand cream and put it on. And I'm actually going to do something kind of crazy. Some nights I use True Botanicals lip balm, and some nights I just feel like my grandmama and I put some Vaseline on my lips. I listen to the old school. This feels beautiful. I am really healing, and so can you. There are products, you know, you can get good skincare at a lower price if you need. Just look at the ingredients that are in the dermatological products like these and see how closely you can match them, because a budget is a budget. You can't make it if you don't have it. But if you can provide the skincare for yourself, it will make a difference. My skin grafts look amazing. You just have no idea how far I've come. And you can do the same. I love y'all. And remember that whatever you're going through, this too shall pass. I'm going to bed. Night.